Thank you very much. And the race is on. Loretta from the outside, rushing up Solar Power. On the further outside is Lord of the Sun. Then comes Golden Class. And on the outside, Gold-Plated Key, rushing up Peace and Love. And by the rail is Loretta, has it coming. And nearing the far turn, Solar Power. Gold-Plated Key, Golden Class, by the rail, Lord of the Sun. Rounding the far turn, Solar Power by a length and a half. Gold-Plated Key on the outside. Golden Class is still running in turn, Lord of the Sun. As they race the final corner, Solar Power, Gold-Plated Key, Golden Class is sneaking by the rail. Lord of the Sun is on the outside. And we have Golden Class, the outstanding favorite, now the leader by some 2 lengths. And rushing up is Lord of the Sun, Solar Power, Gold-Plated Key, Peace and Up, Strong Boy, the Icebreaker, Golden Class, Lord of the Sun, Solar Power, number 2, Gold-Plated Key, and Peace and Love for your Phantom.